This AI tool is unbelievable. You can create realistic videos from any characters in seconds. And yes, you can use your own images too and create realistic videos. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Rendernet AI. I'll make sure I have a link below. It is my affiliate link, but you are gonna love this tool. You can create different AI characters. You can create different poses. So imagine if you want to create your own digital influencer for your business, or maybe extension of you, like your AI clone. This AI tool is perfect. So let's launch the app and let me show you the internal dashboard. So here's the internal dashboard. And the feature I want to talk about today, there's so many things you can do with this tool, but I want to focus on this video anyone feature, because you can bring any character, any AI character to life. And if you look here, another feature, create or generate your AI characters. I'll build different AI characters here. And now, based on these characters, I can create videos. So you can create your digital brand ambassador, AI influencer, and then now you can also make videos of that influencer and dominate on, let's say, Instagram or TikTok. All right, let me show you how simple, straightforward this feature is. Try video anyone. And now, first thing you want to do is you have a couple of options. You can use any one of these templates, or you can upload an image. So let's upload an image. Here's the image asset library. It's showing me different AI characters that I've created in the past using this tool. So here I've created my own AI characters, and then some other AI. These are different influencers that I've created, Emily and Jennifer. Here's another one. You can upload image from computer, up to you, or you can use one of your already created AI characters to make video. So once you create select the source image, because it's gonna turn that image into realistic video. Now this is where you're gonna add video prompt. I like to keep it super simple. So here's me or my AI clone standing in the rain. That's an image. So in the video prompt, I'm just gonna say a man walking in the rain holding an umbrella. So simple prompt. By the way, if you want to learn about video prompting, click on this video guide, and they have several examples. This was really helpful for me because they give me more ideas about how to get better at prompts when it comes to creating AI videos. So you can go through this. You can also look at different examples of the video, the prompt they use, and also the video image, the prompt, and also the video it generated. And you can see the output is amazing. So look at this guy running, or this was an image, but the video, unbelievable. It is so realistic. So here's a guy on jet ski, and then look at this video. This is amazing. All right, let's go back. So click here to look at all those examples to study to get better. But I'm going to use a simple prompt, a man walking in the rain, and then click on generate. And now let's give it a few seconds. I'll show you the final result. And here you go. Here is the video. It is so neat. And you can see the surroundings, the rain, the street. It is so realistic. Let me pause it and play it again. That is unbelievable. All right, let me show you another version. So I used another different image of myself, but same feature, video anyone. And then let me play this. All right, check this out. I like the first one better, but this was also pretty sweet. So realistic videos using video anyone feature of Rendernet AI. Go create your own videos, or maybe create influencers for your business and make their videos and dominate on social media. I would especially use these videos on Instagram. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.